Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra and today we'll explore common types of outputs used in robotics using the Zalmotech RA8M1 feather board. Outputs in robotics enable machines to interact with their environment and perform tasks. The most fundamental are motion outputs, which allow robots to move and manipulate objects, visual outputs useful for user interfaces, and audio outputs like speakers or buzzers used for alerts and communication. Specialized outputs such as haptic ones can provide tactile feedback in human-robot interaction scenarios. First, we have DC motors, one of the most versatile actuators in robotics. They are ideal for powering wheels from small educational platforms to larger autonomous vehicles. In industrial robotics, they drive conveyor belts for material handling or actuate robotic grippers for precise object manipulation. Next are stepper motors, which offer precise positioning capabilities that bridge the gap between simple DC motors and more complex servo systems. These motors rotate in fixed angular steps, providing accurate control over rotation without the need for complex feedback mechanisms. They are commonly found in 3D printers and CNC machines for accurate tool positioning. Lastly, we have servo motors. Unlike standard DC motors that rotate continuously, servo motors are designed to move to a specific angular position and hold it against an opposing force. In robotics, servo motors are commonly used in robot joints, steering mechanisms, or gripper actuation. Moving on to visual outputs, neopixels are a popular choice for adding lighting to robotic projects. They are individually addressable and operate on a specific timing-sensitive protocol. You can easily interface all of these outputs with the Zalmotech RA8M1 feather SoM. See you next time.